Welcome to Module 4 of our Discover Your Purpose course. This week, you'll learn what we mean by service in the context of seeking purpose. And here's a hint, service is not limited to volunteering. You can make money and serve. Then you'll identify your own singular callings. Don't forget to use the follow-along guide that comes with this course. What do I mean when I use the word calling? Your callings are what you feel a deep pull to contribute to the world, whether that means to your family, your community, your country, or planet Earth. Callings reflect one of the key elements of purpose, being of service. It means you contribute beyond yourself. It doesn't exclude personal gain, but it goes beyond it. It seeks to contribute to the world in some way that is true to who you are. It supports your fundamental human quest to be part of something larger than yourself and to belong. Now, as I mentioned in the introduction video, while the words calling and service may sound weighty and loaded, they're not reserved for the likes of Nelson Mandela and Mother Teresa. Anyone can frame many of their daily pursuits as callings by seeing how they are serving their family or community, an idea or a cause. In fact, it's very likely you're already serving in some way every day. Yes, when we think of a calling, we may immediately think of the more obvious ways of serving, like doing volunteer work, or taking care of a family member, or protesting an injustice. And when thinking of callings where we are paid, some professions come to mind easily, like shaping young minds as a teacher, or working in healthcare. But you don't have to be in the helping professions to feel a sense of calling through your work, however you define it. If you can reframe your work as a calling, research has shown it becomes dramatically more fulfilling. So you're not only a stand-up comic, you're giving people a break from the stress of their daily lives through laughter. You're not only an artist, you're adding beauty to the world through your oil paintings. You're not only a virtual assistant, you're freeing up your clients' time so they can focus on their business goals. You're not only a dog walker, you're helping pets get the exercise and fresh air they need to stay healthy while giving their owners a break. Do you see the difference? It's simply a shift in how you look at your occupation. And beyond volunteering your time and finding calling through your work, callings also include more everyday activities like nurturing others through your cooking, or creating family traditions like game night, or making a small piece of this planet more colorful through your gardening, or enhancing a sense of community by organizing a neighborhood block party. Hopefully you can now see how a sense of calling can be felt and created around many things you already do. Here is your assignment for Module 4, which you'll find in the follow-along guide. Complete the Identify Your Callings exercise, then add your callings to the Purpose worksheet inside the follow-along guide. See you in the next video.